Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So in today's video, I'm going to cover 3 things that if I knew, I would do all the way different. So the first thing is, I absolutely would make sure that I set a budget before I got started to know everything I need that's going to go out of the business before I make sure I know what's coming in. A lot of times when you're doing a service business like we are, it takes a while before you actually get paid. So don't make the mistake I made thinking that everything's going to go smoothly and as soon as you do the work, you're going to get the payment. That's not the way it normally works. Sometimes you may have to work 30 to 45 days before you actually receive your first check. The second thing I'd like to talk about is making sure that you don't think you can do this all on your own or that you want to. Sure, you may get 4 accounts and you think you're rolling in the money, and the next thing you know, you start getting complaints. And who are they going to complain to? You. You're the owner. So how does that look when they've got complaints about something that you're doing? You want to make sure that you slow it down, do a lot of analyzing. Is this a customer that I actually want? Not all money is good money. So take your time. Think about having more high-end customers that are going to want to pay the money so you don't have to have so many accounts, but maybe 2 large accounts as opposed to 4 or 5 small ones. I would start looking at healthcare, chiropractor, dental offices, and you know what I always talk about, making sure you specialize. You don't want to be general in all of them, but specialize in 1 or 2, find your niche, and then next thing you know, you're bringing in the money. And the third thing I talk about is making sure that you constantly stay focused and positive. Sure, in the beginning, it looks good. You're running out, you're getting all these accounts, you're making all this money. But then, like I said, you start to burn out because you're not prioritizing what you need to do. So make sure that you focus on saving more money, building a team, and not having it where you are burnt out so soon. Now, if you'd like to know more about things you can do to build your business going into 2022, I'd like to invite you to my workshop. All you need to do is click to register. It's going to be about 3 hours where I'm going to take you behind the scenes where I show you exactly what I've done time after time after time to get to 3 businesses well over 6 figures within 9 months. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to reach the 6 figures and beyond, pow, within 12 months. So click the register. I look forward to seeing you. Bring pen and paper. And until next time, make sure you be safe and take care. Bye-bye.